Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever asked yourself who you really are and which influences have brought you to be the person you are today? In this video, we will show you 5 questions you can ask yourself in order to get to know yourself better. Don't miss out the other 4 videos of this mini-series of 5 episodes, in order to get to know yourself better step by step. Who am I? Has a whopping 1,001 possible responses. Although it seems like a simple question, the answer is complex, not the least of which is the fact that there is no singular you. Depending on who is asking and how in-depth you want to go, your own response will probably vary. In an interview or on a date, the response to the question, "Who am I?" will usually be more concrete and less abstract. On another hand, we get more perceptive the more we understand about ourselves. As Aristotle famously remarked, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. These, "Who am I?" example answers can help you explore your true self and get to know yourself better. 6. What is my definition of success? Everyone wants to succeed in life, but what does success actually mean? Being successful might mean having money, fame, or recognition. Others focus more on the impact they wish to have on the world or on giving back while thinking about their legacy of success. 7. What makes me angry? Not all anger is terrible. What actually riles us up has a lot to say. Let's not try to brush it under the rug. There are several situations where rage is effective. It gives you the willpower and bravery to defend what you believe in. It draws attention to the actions and societal issues we care deeply about. 8. What gets me out of bed in the morning? What motivates you to get out of bed in the morning, besides the alarm going off and on for 30 minutes? Understanding your motivations is the key to success and finding your mission. When you try to emulate someone else's success, it won't last very long. 9. What relaxes me? Everyone has to know how to distress if they are all prone to stress. Relaxing is frequently easier said than done, especially in the modern digital era. Many of us have lost the ability to fully unwind, which experts believe is the reason we spend so much time engrossed in screens. 10. What brings me joy? Do you ever have the impression that discovering your true happiness in life is just as challenging as trying to identify who you are? One of the reasons happiness is so difficult, according to psychotherapist Linda Esposito, is that we frequently get it completely incorrect. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.